Architectural photography for me is a time capsule of our world. Photography is a sort of a liberty for me because I can do what I do when I want. I can go to any country to take a picture of what I want. It's a real pleasure for me to do that. When I take a picture, I have the final result in my mind. I can see what's my picture look like when I was finishing retouching. I use Lightroom to crop and adjust all my colors, highlight, low light. It's very important for me to create my personal preset. When you take a picture of this building, you are on the ground. The lines are not straight, so you have to use Lightroom to adjust the line. When I use my iPhone, I can retouch instantly in Lightroom the picture I'm just taking 1 minute before. My style has something like a dream world. I think it's a melancholic style, but with a nostalgic touch. When I take a picture, I feel my heart beat very strong. I have to shoot this moment because I think I can lose this moment. The best advice for photographers is to try again and again, to explore creativity and to obtain what you want.